Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. How is your Ramadan month going? Do comment in my comment section and let me know what you guys are doing these days. Viewers, today I am going to make jumbo size cutlets, or you can say pakoda. For this I am peeling large size potato, and after peeling it, let me tell you what I am going to do it with this. I will cut them from the center like this, and then I will peel them like this. I will make the cutlets like this. This should not be so thick, so thin, and not so thick. It should be like this, like this. Layer should be very thin. If the layers will be thin, then our pakodas will become very crispy and tasty. I will do with the same procedure with all the potatoes like this. Okay viewers, I have taken 2 cups of besan, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of jeera, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, haldi powder, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 tablespoon of coriander. Just to give it little color, I am adding this coriander. So let's get started with our video. Okay viewers, now first of all I am adding turmeric powder. I am adding turmeric to give it a little color. Then I am going to add jeera, coriander powder, salt, baking soda or baking powder you can say. To give it little taste, I am adding, to make it little like tasty, I am adding this red chili flakes, and then salt to taste, and then coriander to give it greenish color. I will mix this all, and then I am going to add water. Water quantity is not, I am not giving you any quantity, just you have to put little water and then stop. When you think that your mixture is ready, then you have to stop. Let me show you how I will prepare this mixture. This mixture should not be very thick. I need more water. Let me add more water. Still it is thick. Let me add more water. Still it is very thick. I have to add more water. Slowly add little water. Still it is thick. You can see little bit more water. Still it is thick. I will add little bit more water. Now I think my mixture will be perfect. Yes, it should be like this. When you move the spoon, it should be like this. Now I will do the coating. Let me show you. Take 1 potato and then do the coating like this. See, this is the perfect way. We have to fry this in this way. Okay. Okay viewers, now I'm going to fry these jumbo size pakoras. Let me tell you one technique through which we can make crispy pakoras. If we are going to heat oil in a very high flame, then when you are going to put these potatoes or pakoras in this pan, then you have to do the flame medium. In this way your pakoras will be very crunchy and crispy. I will put some more. I will not overload this. I will put 3 to 4 and then I will fry the rest of them like this. This much is enough. Let me fry this first. Okay viewers, as you can see, I shifted the sides, turned the sides, and now in the medium flame I cooked them for about 7 to 8 minutes, and now I am taking them out like this. As you can see how crunchy, crispy they are. Let me take them out and then I show you how they are. Like this. Let me cook the other shift. I will do the medium flame and then I will put the rest of them. Okay viewers, now jumbo's pakora or cutlets are ready. If you like my video, then subscribe to my channel and like my video, and don't forget to comment on my videos. I hope you all are enjoying this holy month of Ramadan, so please remember me in your prayers. See you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.